order up to model, impact of period length. So far, we assumed that the period length is given. 1 week for the distribution center, 1 day for Susan's territory. However, we can ask ourselves is if the period length is the right length, right? Has the right length, and what would happen if we change it? Clearly, if we increase the period length, we will have larger orders and less frequent orders. So it is going to affect certain costs, right? And we can see actually in this picture here the evaluation of distribution center if the period length is changed from 1 week to 2 weeks to 4 weeks and then to 8 weeks, right? The 4 sawtooth patterns that will be obtained. All 4 were evaluated using order up to model, just changing this period length. The resulting patterns are shown here, and the average inventory position on all 4 are shown here as numbers. So clearly, in this case, we will see a similar trade-off between carrying little inventory and reducing ordering costs, right? We can assume that there is a certain ordering cost and then there is a certain holding cost as we had in the EOQ model, except now we don't have a continuity, right? We're just assuming 4 points and we can evaluate if period length is now 1 week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, or 8 weeks. What is the ordering cost given a certain cost per order from the manufacturer? What is the holding cost given a certain holding cost rate per year, right? We can do an evaluation and we can see actually that the total costs are now minimized when the period length is 4, right? And this is similar, but if you recall in the EOQ model, the horizontal axis here was the quantity that we order, not the period length, but both of them are of course related, and we have a similar case that one cost is increasing while the other is decreasing, and we can somewhere find the minimum overall cost.